back a bit, go back a bit. Yeah, that's good. Come on.
It's like one shot, but we did it.
Yeah.
Can you taunt? Yeah.
Don't face the
Don't
raid.
face it, don't face
Face
it us.
towards us, away from us.
Let the pet take them all. It's not the issue.
It kinda is if there's a tag there and I have to take the boss there.
Yeah, but like just range it, do one AoE at the spot the pet is, and all of them are dead.
That's fair. Now care with the DPS on this one. Let's get some aggro.
I don't have rage, so it's not an issue for
Dude,
you.
you're like, I don't have runes, that's the issue. Yeah, you're taking him. Dispel the off tank, yeah. Take the next
It's
one.
on me. Dispel me, dispel me.
Oh, come on, Warlock, run out of the raid.
Take
Oh,
him, take him,
tank,
take him.
run out. Oh, come on, Sammy, run out of the raid. Sammy,
Yeah,
Okay.
In.
In.
Face it away, face it away, face it away, face it away.
Face it away from the raid.
he did.
And to the middle.
And run to the middle. If possible, right there. Get to the middle ASAP. The Valkyrie is gonna come down. Oh shit.
Stun it, Sylvan.
Yeah,
Come on, hey, max the raid. Next invest is gonna kill us.
done.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Good. After that, kill the raging after. Top me off. Defile soon, spread. Sammy?
Yeah,
Okay.
that was my bad.
No, it's cool. It's good.
Yeah, I spawned it on the raging spirit. That's my bad.
Hysteria on you, pop,
Okay, who's using stun for this one?
I have my stun still.
That's.
It's me.
Oh shit. Taunt. Good.
Nice.
Is that?
Vile.
Oh, come on, what the fuck?
That's bad.
Uh,
It dropped it in the middle of